We are back, and it's Huddy and the Chili King. And we are still being Christmassy, just like in the last video. And we also went back to Dairy Queen, just like the last video.
Why are you talking like that?
So, we love blizzards. You can tell by looking at me, I've eaten a few. And we noticed that they had, and it may not be new, but it's new to us.
It's like the something of the month.
It's the Blizzard of the month, and it's Oreo, cocoa. I'll have to put the description in the.
It's something.
It's Oreo Cocoa Blizzard, I believe, is what it's called. But anyway, it sounds amazing. I think it's supposed to taste. The cat's tickling my leg.
No, it's a dog.
Okay, it's a dog. I think it's supposed to taste like hot cocoa with Oreos in it.
But we put it in the freezer.
Yeah,
so that
it also had whipped cream on it, but the whipped cream we had to bring it home, so the whipped cream looks kind of.
When we were going through the. Well, when she was giving
Spit it out.
When she was giving us our blizzards, she flipped it over. She said, "Don't do it. The whipped cream might fall out." That's what she said.
Yeah, she didn't want to turn it upside down, and I really didn't want her to, but she did anyway. But anyway, so we're gonna try this and see what you think. What blizzard did you say you usually get?
Cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough blizzard. Cheers.
Cheers. I usually get something with peanut butter in it, but he can't eat that. Oh my goodness. It's very chocolatey. It does taste like hot cocoa.
Very
Doesn't it?
chocolatey. I didn't really get a lot. God, these spoons, they bend.
I mean, it really does taste, it's got that flavor of hot cocoa. Even though it's cold.
It's so cold.
That's actually really good. It's got a bunch of Oreos in it, look. It's got chunks of Oreo.
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can tell, I'm back to supporting Auburn, Mama Tomato.
I have an Illinois shirt.
We just said we were going to say. Okay, so we're not going to edit this at this point. Our plan was to ask if anybody knew what kind of shirt Huddy had on, but he just told you.
Oh.
Good job.
Dang it, I forgot.
I'm going to tell you right now, this is good.
Hey, can you see if you can edit and like bleep out the word I said?
Nope. You ruined it for the viewers.
Dang it.
I'm sure they don't care. Hudson has on an Illinois shirt, though. I don't
know how I got this.
We don't know how we have it, but we got it.
I like the shirt.
I got family in Illinois, but that's not where we got it.
I've only been to Georgia, Mississippi, and Tennessee, and Alabama.
Are we really going to talk about this now? Well, I've been to Illinois. I've been to Chicago.
Woohoo.
All right, so this is like, might be a 10.
Well, it's a 5.
Look, it really does taste like hot cocoa. I know it's cold, and that's backwards. The other day I was watching a cooking show, and they drank cocoa ice. They call it iced cocoa.
That sounds pretty good.
And when they gave it to, it was that show that's on channel ABC, the Chew maybe. When they gave it to Michael Simon and Mario Batali, they both said, "Yeah, this is not iced cocoa. This is a cocoa flavored milkshake." And so they were just like, "You're trying to make yourself feel better to say it's iced cocoa." That's kind of what this is. This is like a cocoa flavored milkshake. It's really good. You should try it. They also have a peppermint that's out right now. Peppermint something. Holiday peppermint or something.
I think that could have been better than this.
No. No way. And I love peppermint stuff.
I wish we had ate this earlier because it's so cold. And it's supposed to be cocoa.
Yeah, but it's not cold outside. We have on shorts. Well, I have on shorts.
I have
And it's
shorts on.
December the 1st.
24 days till Christmas.
That's weather. That's weather for you in Alabama. All right, so Hudson.
Yeah, I'm Hudson.
What would you do 0 out of 5 What would you give the Dairy Queen, and I'm going to butcher the name, Hot Cocoa Oreo Blizzard?
I think that's right. 5.
And you just said the peppermint could be better?
Yep, it could be a 6. A 5.
Look, Hudson's got his first basketball game tomorrow. I need him to play well. Well, actually, when you see this video, it might be already happened. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video. We're trying to get ahead because we're busy. We are busy doing appearances all over the Southeast. All right, so I'm not gonna give it a 5 because I'm gonna be honest. It's really, really good. I've never had a Blizzard that I thought was bad, but my favorite Blizzard is the Heath Bar Blizzard, and it's not quite as good as Heath Bar Blizzard is #1.
You told me you like a chocolate chip cookie dough.
I do like it, but I think the Heath Bar is the best.
Okay. This is so chocolatey.
I think this is a 4.9.
Hey, Dad, this is so chocolatey.
It is beyond chocolatey. It's so good. So go out and get this thing. We got smalls. They're like $3.50. They're expensive, but they're worth it. Like a lot of things I complain about the price. I'm not complaining about the price of a Blizzard. That thing's probably got 1,000 calories, but it is so good. I'm giving it a 4.9. He gave it a 5. Go get it. I think it's only for December, and I think they go away.
So get it quick.
So you got 30 days. You got, well, again, I don't know when I'm up. You got a month.
Yeah.
How about that? All right, so 4.
Wait a second. Let me take one more bite, please.
He's a diva.
Okay.
So 4.
Huddy.
Chili King.
We're at 85,000. Bye.
We're going to finish this thing and go to bed. Bye. Yay.